If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos.
Welcome to the demonstration series for the Ruckus Analytics Cloud Service for Network Intelligence and Service Assurance. The videos in this series will describe the various views, services, and capabilities of the Ruckus Analytics platform. In this video, I'll provide an overview of the main Ruckus Analytics dashboard. So let's get started. We'll log in to Ruckus Analytics, and before we jump into the dashboard proper, let's take a look at some of the areas of the screen that are always visible, no matter which view you're looking at. First, at the top of the page is the header panel. From right to left, this panel contains a user icon that gives you options to open your profile settings or log out of the Ruckus Analytics interface. The help icon gives you options to view documentation, view how-to videos, see license information, contact the support team, open a support case, view the privacy policy, or view details about this instance of Ruckus Analytics, including the version number. This is the account you're logged into the interface as. Over to the left is the search bar. From here you can search for items in your inventory. You can search for clients by MAC address, host name, username, IPv4 or v6 address, and OS type. If you select access points, you can search by AP name, MAC address, IP version 4 and 6 address, or the AP model. And if you search for switches, you can search by switch name, MAC address, IPv4 or v6 address, and by selecting the network hierarchy, allows you to search by cluster name, domain name, zone name, and AP group name. Now over on the left-hand side, we have the navigation bar. From here, you can jump to any of the 5 primary views within Ruckus Analytics. First, you have the dashboard, which I'll be explaining throughout this presentation. Next, you have Analytics. This allows exploration and drill down on network incidents, client impact areas, and network health requirements. Below that is Reports. These provide built-in reports and charts to understand network usage and inventory. Next, we have the Data Explorer, which allows you to explore the database with customizable UI-driven tools to answer core questions. And lastly, we have Admin. Here you can view onboarded systems, manage users, manage resource groups, allow Ruckus support access, as well as manage licenses and assign APs. Each of these areas will be covered specifically in individual presentations. Okay, now let's talk about the dashboard itself, starting with the time selection field, which is located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Here you set the time period of your dashboard view based on predefined time periods, such as the last hour, the last 24 hours, or the last 7 days. The default view is the last 24 hours. On the left of that, you have the incident category selection. You can choose to view incidents based on connections, performance, and infrastructure. The checkboxes let you select one or more of these options at a time. Just click Apply for the dashboard to update based on your selected categories. Next, we're going to jump to the largest portion of the screen, called the Interactive Network Hierarchy, which uses a feature called circle packing. Circle packing is a hierarchical representation of the network that illustrates the controller clusters, domains, zones, AP groups, and individual APs visually. The colors identify the areas of the network that are impacted by issues or showing problems. The size of a circle depends on the number of APs within that layer of the hierarchy. You can navigate within each circle, exploring layers within the hierarchy by clicking on the circles themselves. The boundary of a circle indicates that there are incidents occurring within it. This brings us to the Incident Summary tile. This tile is updated based on which layer of the hierarchy is selected in the Interactive Network Hierarchy tile. It provides a summation of the overall network status and compares the severity levels of each incident to the selected network. Each severity level is identified by priority and color. Red P1 incidents are critical, dark orange P2 incidents are high severity, orange P3 incidents are medium severity, and yellow P4 incidents are low severity. Clicking the See Incidents button displays the Analytics/Incidents page, which displays each incident and allows you to analyze them individually. Detailed analysis of this view will be covered in a separate presentation. Back at the dashboard, each of the tiles on the left side of the page are updated to reflect the selected layer of the Interactive Network Hierarchy. On the top is the Scrolling Data tile. It constantly cycles through key metrics of the network, including AP count, unique clients, traffic, applications, and active WLANs. The network history tile displays the number of connected clients with the dark gray line, the number of newly connected clients with the light gray line, and the number of clients affected by incidents with the blue area in the chart. The incident types tile shows the types of incidents, the number of incidents of each type, and the relative severity of the incidents. The incidents are categorized into 3 primary incidence types of connection, performance, and infrastructure. Each incident type contains many subtypes. Last is the critical incidents tile. Here, individual incidents are displayed by severity, incident type, and the time the incident occurred. If you click one of the incidents, the specific incident is displayed on the incident details page, which will be covered in a separate presentation. This completes the presentation providing an overview of the Ruckus Analytics dashboard. I hope you found this information useful and hope you return for more presentations in the Ruckus Analytics series. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation.